Welcome back to Wheeloscopy. What happens when sheer luxury meets brutal performance and transforms into something no one expected? Today, we're diving into the unbelievable, the outrageous, and honestly, the borderline insane concept of the 2027 BMW XM Motorhome. A machine that looks like it rolled straight out of the future, combining the aggressive DNA of the BMW XM with the comfort of a full-scale luxury home on wheels. At first glance, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. The design language screams dominance. You get that signature oversized illuminated kidney grille, razor-sharp LED lighting, and a sculpted body that feels more like a super SUV than a camper. But stretch that silhouette out, and suddenly, you realize this is something entirely new. The elongated chassis flows seamlessly into a high-tech living module, finished with aerodynamic paneling and carbon fiber accents that maintain BMW's sporty identity. Step closer, and the presence becomes even more intimidating. Massive wheels, aggressive stance, and a ride height that hints at off-road capability tell you, this isn't just built for highways. It's made for adventure. Whether it's desert dunes or mountain passes, the 2027 BMW XM Motorhome looks ready to conquer it all while keeping you wrapped in unmatched luxury. Now let's talk about what powers this beast. Inspired by the performance roots of the XM lineup, this motorhome is expected to feature a hybrid twin-turbo V8 setup, similar to the one found in the XM SUV, pushing out insane horsepower figures. But this isn't just about speed, it's about intelligent power delivery. The hybrid system allows for silent electric cruising when you want peace and efficiency, while the combustion engine kicks in when you demand raw power. Imagine pulling a luxury home that can sprint like a sports car. That's the level we're talking about. And yes, BMW didn't forget about handling. Adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and advanced all-wheel drive systems ensure that despite its size, the XM Motorhome feels planted and surprisingly agile. It's engineered to make long-distance journeys smooth, stable, and almost effortless. But the real magic begins when you step inside. This is where the 2027 BMW XM Motorhome completely changes the game. The interior feels like a five-star hotel suite fused with cutting-edge automotive design. Premium leather, ambient lighting, brushed metal finishes, and sustainable materials create an environment that is both luxurious and futuristic. Right at the front, the cockpit retains that signature BMW driver-focused layout, featuring a curved digital display, crystal-like controls, and AI-assisted driving systems. But behind that, everything transforms. The cabin opens up into a spacious living area with expandable sections that maximize space when parked. It's not just a vehicle anymore, it's a living experience. You get a fully equipped lounge with modular seating that can convert into a dining area or a relaxation zone. There's a smart entertainment system integrated into the walls, offering immersive audio and Ultra HD visuals. And yes, voice control manages almost everything, from lighting to climate to entertainment. Move further back, and you'll find a compact yet luxurious kitchen setup. We're talking induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, and cleverly designed storage that keeps everything organized without sacrificing style. It's designed for people who want to travel without leaving comfort behind. And then comes the sleeping area. This isn't your average camper bed. It's a premium, hotel-grade sleeping suite with customizable firmness, ambient lighting presets, and even panoramic roof options so you can sleep under the stars. The bathroom, fully functional, modern, and surprisingly spacious, featuring high-end fixtures and smart water management systems. What makes this motorhome truly futuristic is its technology. BMW integrates next-gen AI systems that learn your preferences, adjust settings automatically, and even assist in route planning based on weather, terrain, and your travel habits. There's also semi-autonomous driving capability, making long journeys less tiring and more enjoyable. Energy efficiency is another highlight. Solar panels integrated into the roof, combined with advanced battery storage, allow you to stay off-grid for extended periods. This isn't just luxury, it's sustainable luxury. And let's not ignore the exclusivity factor. A machine like the 2027 BMW XM Motorhome isn't for everyone. It's designed for those who want to stand out, who want their travel experience to be as bold and unique as their personality. It's for people who see the road not just as a path, but as a lifestyle. Now imagine pulling up to a scenic location. With a push of a button, sections expand, lights adjust to a warm glow, and your entire living space transforms into a private luxury retreat. No hotels, no compromises, just you, the open road, and a vehicle that redefines what travel can be. Of course, with innovation like this comes a premium price tag. While official numbers are still speculative, it's safe to say this will sit in the ultra-luxury segment, competing with high-end custom motorhomes and luxury RV builders. But unlike anything else out there, it carries the unmistakable identity of BMW, a brand known for performance, precision, and pushing boundaries. So what we're looking at here isn't just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of mobility. A future where performance meets comfort, where technology enhances every moment, and where the journey becomes just as important as the destination. The 2027 BMW XM Motorhome is bold, it's innovative, and it's redefining what it means to travel in style. Whether it becomes a production reality or remains an ambitious concept, one thing is certain: it has already captured the imagination of enthusiasts around the world. And honestly, if this is the direction luxury travel is heading, the future looks incredibly exciting. Stay tuned, because here at Wheeloscopy, we bring you the most extreme machines, the wildest concepts, and the future of automotive innovation before it hits the streets.